So Sarah, what would you tell mid-market manufacturers who might think digital transformation is out of their reach?
I think first off, it's not out of their reach. The first step that they need to do is value stream mapping. Use continuous improvement tools. Sit down, find your pain points in your process, and not just your process of your product, but your process of your people as well, and how they work, what they do on a day-to-day basis. Find your pain points and build upon that. Sit down, do meetings, figure out what you need to do to grow from your current state to your 5-year plan to your 10-year plan, and go from there.
Great. So once you go through that value stream mapping process, are there things that jump out at you that might be easy opportunities or like low-hanging opportunities that you can approach for a digital transformation project?
Yeah, absolutely. So my background, quality, that's the first thing that comes to mind. So quality inspections, I mean, they're typically a checklist on a clipboard if you're not even digitized. And we all know that paper checklists are like the worst. They get wet, torn, lost, yeah. So definitely quality inspections could be a first start for your digital transformation. Your next step could be focusing on communication. So like every day, typically your production shop floor, communicates with each other, shift letters, or what happened, what went wrong, what the next shift needs to do. Well, that's an opportunity as well to put that into a computerized system. That way it's more efficient and everyone's on the same page.
That's a great example. I think a lot of people think that, if I'm just taking a checklist that's paper, if I just put it into a spreadsheet, I have transformed it. But it's more than that. So why should someone take the step to actually approach this as like a real digital transformation? What's the benefit of making that step?
So spreadsheets are a headache. Before you know it, you have 50 million spreadsheets with like 50 million tabs in them each. And so you're going back to the same process of wasting time and chasing down information. You don't know what's live. You don't know what's going on, who did what. Like it can be a headache. So my personal experience suggests skipping the spreadsheet stage and jump right into some sort of solution that provides easy communication, easy access, easy for your users,